We support KVM operator matrix with up to 4 nodes to meet the need for an operator to control multiple seats. You can find the KVM operator button on the website software, and then add a new matrix. Here are different layouts. Choose one layout you want, and we also support customize. And drag and drop your decoder on it. Save it. As you can see here, these two seats are composed as a KVM matrix. Okay, here we use two seats to demonstrate these functions. As you can see here, we support mouse roaming, and you can drag and drop your input source. Okay, here. This allows one operator to manage multiple seats and improve management efficiency.